condition, first condition that was given in the problem in the exercise 1. What is the condition? That if a fixed cost is brought down to rupees 50,000, what is the break-even point in sales and break-even point in volume, right? So that is the condition in the exercise 1 of previous problem. Okay, so what you are going to do is here, you have to show the given information and what is the new condition. So according to the problem, variable cost per unit is given 15 rupees and selling price per unit is 20 rupees, right? And fixed cost was given previously, it was 54,000, but you replace that 54,000 with the new fixed cost that was given in this question. Because this is decreased to 50,000, no? You take this 50,000 as new fixed expenses. Okay, is that clear? So apply the same formulas. Break-even point in units is equal to fixed expenses divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. I'm not telling how to how I have taken this again and again. Okay, in the previous slide we have discussed about that. So now substitute directly. We are having all these values. So in fixed expenses place, you take it as 50,000. Divide it with 20 rupees minus 15 rupees. So that will give you 50,000 divided by 5. Here there is no need of any calci because 5 you can strike off here. Numerator and denominator, that will be giving you how much? How many units? 10,000 units. Okay. So 10,000 units you got break-even point. So what happened here? Can you tell me what is the effect of a decrease in the fixed cost here? So from 54,000 it has reduced to 50,000. No? So automatically the break-even point has also reduced. From 10,800 we got at 54,000. No? So here that was reduced to 10,000 units. Okay. So that is the effect of reduction in the fixed cost. So that means you will be entering into the profits early stage. Only at 10,800 only you are going to enter into the after that you are going to entering into the profits. When it is 54,000, minimum sales are 10,800, right? After 10,800 only you will enter into the profit zone. And BEP in rupees, take the BEP in units into selling price per unit. So BEP in units we got 10,000, no? 10,000 units into 20 rupees of selling price. So that will give you how much? No need of calci here. 20 into 10, you will get 2 lakhs. Okay, directly you can do. This is a simple calculation. No? So 2 lakh rupees, it is break-even point at in rupees at 2 lakh rupees. You are going to obtain this. So this is the how you are going to find out when fixed cost there is a change in the fixed cost. How to calculate the break-even point in units as well as in rupees. Is that clear?